Hello, I'm Olesya Nikolenko, owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today, I'd like to show you how to use acrylic gel like a pro. A lot of salons these days don't use acrylic anymore because of a strong and specific smell of monomer. Many nail technicians who prefer to work with acrylic are missing the product they love. Acrylic gel is a good replacement. It is something between gel and acrylic and combines best options from both worlds of acrylic and gel. It comes in the tube. We can squeeze it out with hand or using special tool. In Mosaic, we have special liquid that makes shaping more comfortable and keeps the brush hair safe from drying. There are two brushes what we offer to use with acrylic gel. Oval number 6 and ENG brush number 2 with C-cut. Brush number 2 is very comfortable for shaping in cuticle area. However, you can build nails with it as well. Let me show you a rebalance made with this brush and the milky pink acrylic gel. The nail is buffed with all preparation already applied. I am starting with milky pink acrylic and building a nail bed with reverse technique. Cure it. White. And cure again. I filed the shape using key file and finalizing shaping with minimal hand filing. Acrylic gel is very easy to file. Overlay nails with the top coat and cure. Have a beautiful manicure. Please subscribe to our channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.